Hello everyone, welcome to Chapter 2 Club, Smart Woman's Guide to Breakups and Everything After. Today I'm here with Cassie Zampa-Keim, dating and relationship expert of innovativematch.com, and she's going to be telling you the hot tip of the day.
Hi, ladies, remember something. I did my podcast on this last year. It's on my website. It's so important that you hear me out because it's so hard to break out of the pattern of grabbing that check, offering to split it, offering to pay. Don't ever pay on a date. A man needs to take you out. Okay, a first date should be a glass of wine. If you don't drink, have a seltzer soda water and maybe appetizers. Don't even offer to split the bill. Don't offer that ever because he needs to pay for that. That is so important. And then we say to ourselves, well, I am used to paying or I feel uncomfortable. You have to get over that. It's so important that when you're out with a man that he pays. How do you return the favor? I'll tell you what men love outside of sex, which we all know, but you're not going to be doing that until you're in a committed relationship, right? Okay. But how you can do that is when you're comfortable, make him dinner. If you don't like to cook, I don't like to cook. I like to get picnics and go on a hike and do something sweet like that. Or maybe you take them to breakfast. Okay, that's okay, breakfast, not a dinner date, not a dinner date. I do not recommend offering or splitting half the bill ever. So until you're in a relationship and it becomes reciprocated and symbiotic, of course you're gonna ebb and flow and pay one bill and pay the other. I understand all that, but not in the beginning of the dating. Because I'll tell you something, cheap in the wallet is a direct correlation to cheap in the heart, okay? So be careful for that slippery slope. Don't pay on dates, let him take you out. You'll be able to return that, return it soon enough. Like I said, whether you pack a lunch and go on a hike, whether you make him dinner, little things like that go a long way. So my hot tip of the day is don't pay on dates. Good luck.